Easter Jeep Safari Vendor Expo. I'm in the MORryde booth and we're showing the Trail Kitchen today. The Trail Kitchen is a very compact kitchen that slides into the back of the Jeep, but at the same time offers more table space, more storage area and work area than any other kitchen or fridge slide on the market. There's a large drawer, big enough to store your stove that slides underneath the fridge. This one is showing the sink option. By the way, this easily folds over into the drawer for storage. And an extra table here. So lots of table space. Lots of options you can pick up at Walmart or Target or places like that to hang on your kitchen cabinet doors will work on here too. So it's easy to accessorize the kitchen. The water supply is powered by an on-demand pump. So when you open the faucet, the pump turns on. It only runs when you open the faucet. When you close the faucet, it turns off. In this case, we have a Rotopax container on the front of the drawer unit here, supplying the water. And by the way, the drawer unit is very handy for all of your food supplies, cooking supplies, a large drawer for bread. Very handy for the chef. Anyway, the water supply we're using today is a Rotopax on the front of the drawer unit, but also you could do a Rotopax up on our brand new overhead MORryde panel. This panel tucks up quickly into space that's never used above the bottom of the roll bar and is configured to support multiple Rotopax. You can put a pair of 2 gallons, a full 4 gallon, or multiple smaller ones. MORryde pouches. It has holes for clamps for things like Quick Fist to put a shovel in, and very quickly up and out of the way. Another option for water for the sink, if you wanted to, would be to draw it right from the MORryde Rotopax tailgate hinge mount on the back. So there's lots of places to put water, lots of places to store your food supplies, lots of places to store things like your stove, and it all folds up very compactly into the back of the Jeep when you're ready to hit the trail again.